Hi everyone, this is Fox. I am today going to show you guys how to do a simple daily winged eyeliner look for monolids. I am first starting off with a gel liner. I always use one with a really nice precise thin tip. I'm going to first start out by filling in my upper lash line, staying close to my eyelashes. If you have epicanthic folds, I recommend tapering your eyeliner towards them, but not actually putting eyeliner around your epicanthic fold area. It disappears when my eyes open, but that's okay. I am now going to curl my lashes. The reason that I curl my lashes and apply mascara before I do the actual wings is because my eyes actually change shape once my lashes are done. So if you have monolids like me, you might notice that because of the excess fat in your upper eyelid, the outer corner of your eyes droop and make you look tired and bored. That is why false lashes are so popular for monolids, is because they lift your eyes and make you look more awake. This changes your eye shape, so you could have the perfect wing and then you put on lashes or put on mascara and suddenly the wing does not suit your eye shape anymore. I am also going to curl my lower lashes. My eyelashes are really straight, so I have to curl both my upper and lower lashes. I use a waterproof mascara. Non-waterproof mascaras cannot hold a curl for me for longer than 30 seconds. If you're having an issue with your eyelashes continually drooping, then I recommend trying a waterproof mascara. This is a daily look, so I'm only applying just enough to hold the curl and add some volume. I have very sparse, thin, short, non-existent lashes, but I don't want to go too overboard because I don't want my lashes to clump. I do not apply mascara on the innermost corners of my eyes just because the lashes there are not easy to curl, so applying mascara there is pretty pointless. I am now going to actually start sketching out the wing. If you are having trouble with your eyeliner having to be really thick just to show up, try lowering the angle of your wing to be more straight. That way you can still have a nice beautiful wing, but the actual line of your eyeliner does not have to be very thick. If you are having trouble with skipping like I am here due to how my monolids are also a bit wrinkly, then you can try drawing the wing in backwards, which I am going to show you now. I am using my left hand to draw the eyeliner in backwards, and as you can see, I no longer have an issue with skipping. The wing is a little rough, but we are going to fix that soon. Moving on, I am going to now tightline my upper lash line. I don't tightline often just because I don't really like to put product in my waterlines. However, tightlining can be a great way to add further definition and make your lashes look fuller. This is where we are going to fix the wings. I am taking a liquid brush tip eyeliner. I like brush tip because I really have control over the thickness of the line. It feels almost like I'm painting on eyeliner, but you can use whatever type of liquid eyeliner you prefer. I'm going over all of the areas the gel eyeliner might have skipped or missed, and I am now also going to sharpen up the wing. This is why I like brush tips liners so much, because I can get such a thin, sharp edge to my wing. I do not usually clean up with concealer, I prefer to just get it right the first time around. This is the finished look. As you can see, I have a nice wing, but at the same time the eyeliner itself is not thick, so when I blink, it still looks really natural. Let me know what other styles of eyeliner you would like to see me demonstrate. Thanks for watching!